Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 22. JOHDA JOHDA, which means good in Korean. The word JOHDA means good or great. You can also use this to express satisfaction when something is good or great. This is also a short way of saying that's good. How do we write JOHDA in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is Jo. This is written by drawing first a jiut character followed by an o character followed by a hiut character. The second syllable is Da, which is written by drawing first a dikut character followed by an a character. And with that, you've just learned JOHDA. Now, let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 12 to 21. But don't forget our word for today, word number 22, JOHDA, which means good or great. The first word for our review is word number 21, 감사해요, which means thank you. Word number 20 is 고맙습니다. This is another formal way of saying thank you. Word number 19 is 고맙다. This is another informal way of saying thank you. Word number 18 is 잘했어. This is used to say stay well in an informal manner. Word number 17 is 잘가. This is used to say go well or please go well in an informal manner. Word number 16 is 주세요, which is used to say please or please give me. Word number 15 is 맥주, which means beer. Word number 14 is 돈, which means money. Word number 13 is 사과, which means apple. Word number 12 is 반갑습니다, which means nice to meet you. And this is the last word for our review. Congrats! Up next, on Dae-Hangul. We're going to study about the word 그만해. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. 나는 좌를 좋아해요. What does this sentence mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is 좋아해요. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to discuss about the word 좋아. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 116. 좋아. 좋아. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is jo, the second syllable is a. Pronounce it with me. 좋아. 좋아. 좋아 is an adjective, and this is used to say, oh, that's good. That's alright. It is also used to say, I like it. Now, how do we spell 좋아 in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the first syllable jo in Hangul, we need to draw first a jiut character, followed by an o character, followed by a hiu character. And then for the second syllable a, we need to draw first a no sound iyung character, followed by an a character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of the syllables to form the Hangul of the word JOHDA. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word JOHDA, let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, I like that car. The Korean translation of this sentence is 나는 차를 좋아해요. 나는 차를 좋아해요. 나는 means I, 차를 means car, 좋아해요, which has JOHDA, which is our word for today, means I like it. First of all, na or I is the subject and nun is just a subject particle. Again, the rules on subject particle is that if the subject has a consonant ending, we will add un. But if the subject has a vowel ending, we will add nun. And since our subject is na and it has a vowel ending, we'll be adding nanon. The next part of the sentence is cha를. Cha is an object and rul is just an object particle. Since our object is cha and it has a vowel ending, we'll be adding rul. So, it's cha rul. The last part of the sentence is 좋아해요. Take note, we started with our word for today, which is JOHDA. And then, we added he to use it in an informal speech. So it will go like 좋아해. And then, to make it a little bit polite, we'll be adding 요. So that's 좋아해요. 좋아해요. Again, 나는 means I, 차를 means car, and 좋아해요 means like it. So the sentence means, I like that car. Now, if we will go back to the example sentence at the start of the video, when we hear 나는 차를 좋아해요, we already know that it means, I like that car. And with that, you've just learned JOHDA. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 106 to 115. But don't forget, our word for today, word number 116 is JOHDA. This is used to say, good, alright, I like it. Word number 115 is yache, and this is the Korean noun for vegetables. Word number 114 is 대박. This is a Korean slang used to say amazing. Word number 113 is pap, and this is the Korean noun for rice or meal. Word number 112 is 영화, and this is the Korean noun for film or movie. Word number 111 is boda. This is a root verb which means to see or to look at. Word number 110 is chincha. This is an informal way of saying really. Word number 109 is ge, and this is the Korean noun for dog. Word number 108 is undong, and this is the Korean noun for exercise. Word number 107 is gongbu, and this is the Korean noun for studies. And the last for our review is word number 106, 사랑해, and this is used to say, I love you in an informal manner. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, out here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.